वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का सोशल साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 14 सेमेस्टर 2 इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स अफ्रीका एंड एशिया। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको बता दूं, आपके बहुत सारे कमेंट्स से आते हैं और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमेंट मी। बहुत अच्छे प्यारे प्यारे आप कमेंट्स करते हो और उसका रिप्लाई भी मैं देती हूँ, मगर इतने अच्छे कमेंट्स के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। आपने ये अच्छे कमेंट्स देके मुझे इतना मोटिवेट मिलता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर पाऊँ आपके लिए, ऐसे ही हेल्पफुल वीडियो लेके आ सकूँ। और ये 14 चैप्टर जो रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है, ठीक है, तो उनके लिए ये वीडियो कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। ये 2 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड होगा, ठीक है। अभी अफ्रीका करने जा रही हूँ, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट में आप एशिया में कवर कर दूँगी, ठीक है। तो थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमेंट्स मी। ऐसे ही आप कमेंट्स करते रहिए। और मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि जो भी लेसन चाहिए वो मुझे बता दीजिए वीडियो थ्रू, मैं आपको दे के चली जाऊँगी, ठीक है। और इतना सिर्फ बता दीजिए, जब भी आपकी एग्ज़ाम हो, कोई भी टेस्ट हो, ओरल एग्ज़ाम हो, तो उससे 2 दिन पहले मुझे बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है। यानी मैं आपके लिए वीडियो लेके आ सकूं, ठीक है। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चंस एंड राइट इट्स रिलेवेंट लेटर इन द box provided against the question. First question, in which zone does the maximum part of Africa lie? The answer is A, northern temperate zone. Second, which latitude passes almost through the middle of Africa? The answer is D, equator. Third, which continent was known as the dark continent till the 18th century? The answer is C, Africa. 4, from which river valley was missing link of human evaluation from ape to man discovered? The answer is C, Nile. Fifth, in which year did Vasco da Gama discover the sea route to India from Europe? The answer is C, 1498. 6, how much land mass of the earth does the African continent cover? The answer is C, 20%. 7, what are the major landforms of Africa? The answer is D, plateaus and highland. Next, 8, what is the area wise position of Africa among all continents? The answer is B, second. 9, in which part of Africa is the Atlas mountain range located? The answer is C, northwest. 10th, which is the highest mountain in Africa? The answer is A, Kilimanjaro. 11, near which latitude is the Kilimanjaro mountain located? The answer is B, equator. 13, what is the highest of the Ethiopian highland? The answer is C, 3050 meters. Page number 118, 13, which desert is situated to the north of Africa? The answer is B, Sahara. 14, which river of Africa is the longest river of the world? The answer is C, Nile. 15, which sea does the river Nile meet? The answer is C, the Mediterranean. 16, which type of jungles are found in the African continent? The answer is D, equatorial forest. 17, which is the biggest lake of Africa? The answer is B, Victoria. 18, which sweetwater lake is the longest lake of the world? The answer is C, Baikal. 19, in which season does it rain in the rain of Mediterranean type of climate? The answer is C, winter. 20, on which river of Africa are the world famous Victoria Falls located? The answer is B, Zambezi. 21, which island of Africa is called the island of clothes? The answer is A, Zanzibar. 22, which tropic passes through South Egypt? The answer is B, Tropic of Cancer. 23, which are the main crops of Egypt? The answer is C, cotton and dates. 24. Which is the capital city of Egypt? The answer is B. Cairo. 25th. Which is the most developed country of the African continent? The answer is D. South Africa. And 26. Which city is the capital of South Africa? The answer is B. Pretoria. Question 2. Filling the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statement. In first point, South Africa rank 2/3 in area among the continent of the world. The answer is 2/3. Second, the major area of Africa lies in the North Equator Zone. NORTH EQUATOR. The answer is North Equator. Third, till the end of the 18th century, Africa was known as the Dark Continent. The answer is dark, DARK. Page number 119. Fourth point, the African continent is in the Eastern Hemisphere. The answer is Eastern, EASTERN. Fifth, Africa possesses an approximately dash 1000 km long coastline. The answer is 30. 6. The Mediterranean Sea lies between Africa and Europe. The answer is Mediterranean, MEDITERANEAN. 7. The Red Sea lies between northeast of Africa and Asia. The answer is red, red. 8. The Indian Ocean lies to the east of Africa. The answer is Indian, INDIAN. 9. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of Africa. The answer is Atlantic, ATLANTIC. 10th. The landform of Africa mainly consists of plateaus. The answer is plateaus, PLATEAUS. 11. Atlas mountain range is situated to the northwest of Africa. The answer is Atlas, ATLAS. 12th. Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain peak of Africa. The answer is Kilimanjaro, KILIMANJARO. 13. The highest of Ethiopia with 3050 meters height is the highest highland in Africa. The answer is Ethiopia, ETHIOPIA. 14. The Sahara Desert lies to the north of Africa. The answer is Sahara, SAHARA. 15. The Nile River of Africa is the longest river of the world. The answer is Nile, NILE. 16. There are mostly Congo jungles in Africa. 17. There are winter rains along the coastal areas of Mediterranean seas. The answer is Mediterranean. 18. Zanzibar is known as the island of clothes. ZANZIBAR. 19. Egypt country is known for its ancient pyramid and the Sphinx. The answer is Egypt, EGYPT. 20. The Suez Canal has brought Europe and Asia closer to each other. The answer is Suez, SUEZ. 21. Cairo is the capital and an industrial city of Egypt. The answer is Cairo, CAIRO. 22. The most developed countries of African continent is South Africa. The answer is South Africa. 24. In 1867, in the area of river wall of South Africa, mines of diamond and gold were discovered. The answer is diamond and gold. Question 3. True false है. In first point, 2/3 part of African continent lies in North Hemisphere. The answer is true. The equator divides the African continent into two halves. The answer is false. Most of rains of Africa is in the torrid zone. The answer is true. Page number 120, fourth point. The African continent lies in the western hemisphere. The answer is false. 5. Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain of Africa. The answer is true. 66. The Congo River is the longest river of Africa. The answer is false. The magnificent culture of Egypt developed on the bank of the river Nile. The answer is true. Question 4. Match the pair correctly. Write the correct number of section B. ये मैच द कॉलम है. इन फर्स्ट विक्टोरिया. द आंसर इज 3. फॉल्स. सेकंड एटलास. सेकंड का फिफ्थ आंसर है माउंटेन. इथोपिया थर्ड का फर्स्ट आंसर है हाईलैंड. एंड निगर फोर्थ का सेकंड आंसर है रिवर. सेक्शन ए बी सेकंड मैच द कॉलम. बैंक ऑफ रिवर कॉन्गो. द आंसर इज फोर्थ. फर्स्ट का फोर्थ आंसर है पिग्मी. सेकंड कलहरी डेजर्ट. सेकंड का फर्स्ट आंसर है बुशमैन. थर्ड केनिया का फिफ्थ आंसर है बंटू. फोर्थ इजिप्ट. फोर्थ का सेकंड आंसर है फिला. Question 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences each. First question है, through which continent do 3 important latitude pass through? The answer is the 3 major latitude, the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn all pass through the African continent. Question 2. Which strait separate the African and the European continent? European continents. Look at the map and answer. The answer is, यहाँ पे ये मैप आपको देखना है, उसके बाद इसके आंसर्स यहाँ पे देने. तो क्वेश्चन 2 का आंसर है द स्ट्रेट ऑफ गिब्राल्टर separates the continent of Africa and Europe. Question 3. Which range separates Asia and Africa? Look at the map and answer. The answer is the Sinai Peninsula of Egypt separates Asia and Africa. Question 4. Which mountain range are situated in northwest Africa? The answer is the Atlas mountain range are situated to the northwest of Africa. Page number 121. Question 5. Which are the seas and oceans found near the continent of Africa? Look at the map and answer. The answer is the sea Mediterranean Sea is to the north of Africa. The Red Sea is to its northeast. The Indian Ocean is to its east and the Atlantic Ocean is to its west. Question 6. Which oceans lies around Africa? The answer is the continent is bounded on the west by the Atlantic Ocean, on the north by the Mediterranean Sea, on the east by the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean, and on the south by the mingling water of the Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Question 7. Why does the peak of Kilimanjaro always remain covered with snow though it is situated near the equator? The answer is the height of Kilimanjaro is 5,895 meters owing to its great altitude. Its peaks always remain covered with snow even though it is situated near the equator. Question 8. Which desert is located to the north of Africa? How many square meter area does it cover? The answer is Sahara Desert is located to the north of Africa. It covers an area of 94 crore square kilometer. It is full of rocky highland. Question 9. Which is the longest rift valley of the world? which lakes are formed here? The answer is the Great Rift Valley of East Africa was created due to tectonic movement. It runs north-south for 6,000 km. Lakes like Tanganyika, Malawi, Nyasa, etc. lakes have been formed due to accumulation of water. Question 10. Which is the longest river of the world? What is its length? The answer is the Nile is the longest river of the world. Its length is 6,436 km. Question 11. Through which country does the river Nile flow and which seas does it meet? The answer is the river Nile flows through Uganda, Sudan and Egypt countries. Blue Nile, which is its main tributary, flows Ethiopia and meets it near Khartoum in Sudan. The joint flows of both the rivers flows through Sudan and Egypt to meet the Mediterranean Sea. Question 12, page number 122. Which trees are found in equatorial forest? The answer is major trees in equatorial forest are mahogany, ebony, longwood, rosewood, ironwood, rubber, cinchona and bamboo flourish. Question 13. By which name are the plains of grass range of torrid zone known? The answer is the plain of grass range of torrid zone known as savanna. Question 14. Which fruits are cultivated in the coastal range along the Mediterranean Sea? The answer is sweet fruits like grapes, peaches, etc. and citrus fruit like oranges, lemon, etc. are cultivated in the coastal range along the Mediterranean Sea. Question 15. Why is Egypt famous all over the world? The answer is Egypt country is famous for its pyramid and sphinx. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the south of Egypt. Date and cotton are grown in Egypt. Question 16. Where is the country of South Africa located? The answer is South Africa located southernmost end of Africa. South Africa lies in the temperate zone and has a temperate climate. 17. What brought about a rapid change in the economy of South Africa? The answer is South Africa was primarily an agricultural country, but the discovery of diamond and gold mines near River Vaal in 1867 changed its economy drastically. Question 18. Which are the main cities of South Africa? The answer is South Africa main cities are Pretoria, Cape Town, Johannesburg and Durban. Question 6. Answer the following question briefly. Which varieties of vegetation are found in the African continent? The answer is rainfall decreases as one proceeds due to north, so vegetation also changes from savanna grass land to thorny vegetation. The Mediterranean range of Africa receives rainfall in winter. Sweet fruits like grapes and citrus like oranges, lemon. Almost 70% of Africans are agriculturist. Crops like tea, coffee, cocoa, etc. are grown here. Crops like cloves, rice are also grown here. Zanzibar is known as the island of cloves. Question 7. Answer the following question in details. What are the special features of the landform of the African continent? The answer is Africa is the second largest continent of the world. The length and breadth of the African continent is almost the same. Most of the continent, that is 2/3, lies north of the equator. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the north and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the south. So most of Africa is in the torrid zone. Most of Africa lies in the eastern hemisphere. It covers 20% of the total land mass of Earth and has a 30,000 kilometer long running coastline. Plateaus and highland. The major landform of Africa is plateaus and highland. The Ethiopian highlands have a altitude between 1500 and 4500 meters. There are highlands and plateaus that have an average altitude of 915 meters in South Africa. Mountain range Atlas mountain range lies in the northwest of Africa. Mountain Topkal 4165 meters is the highest peak. Mt. Kilimanjaro is the highest volcano mountain in the mountain range of East Africa. Its highest is 5895 meters. Desert, the huge Sahara Desert, the largest and hottest desert of the world, lies in the north of Africa and cover an area of 94 crores square kilometer. It is the full of rocky highland. Rift Valley, the Great Rift Valley of East Africa was created due to tectonic movement and it's run north-south for approximately 6,000 kilometer. Lakes Tanganyika, Malawi, etc. lakes have been formed due to accumulation of वाटर. तो इसमें से आप कुछ पॉइंट्स स्किप भी कर सकते हैं, ये दोनों मिला के मैंने दिए आपको, तो कोई पॉइंट्स आप स्किप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. और आगे पिछले जो भी क्वेश्चंस के अगर आंसर आपने रीड किए होंगे तो वो भी इसमें आप लिख सकते, ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ ऐसे सेंटेंसेस है जो डबल डबल आ रहे, यानी ये इसका आंसर इजी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे डिटेल्स में लिखने के लिए बोला है, इसलिए इसका आंसर बड़ा होगा. पेज नंबर 124. ये जो एक्टिविटी है ये इस तरह से आपको करनी है. तो ये इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये हमारा अफ्रीका का पार्ट 1 ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम एशिया का पूरा कवर कर लेंगे, ठीक है. और रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो होने के कारण मैंने एक ही वीडियो में पूरा अफ्रीका कवर कर दिया, ठीक है. अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. और मैंने एनालिटिक्स में देखा है कि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया ही नहीं है, 82% सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सिर्फ व्यूज़ ही दिखाई देते हैं. मगर आप प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, नहीं तो मैं जब भी वीडियो डालूंगी तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि मैंने कौन सा वीडियो डाला है. तो इसके लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करना होगा, ताकि जो भी वीडियो में डालूंगी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत आपके पास चला आएगा, ठीक है. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. तो जल्दी से लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.